We'll see. I mean, I'm already down 340. Donnie wants us to suffer. I don't know. I think he wants us to prosper. And sometimes to prosper in life, you have to suffer first. So that's where we're at. Spreads are massive on this JNVR. I don't even know if I'm going to touch JNVR for that reason. I mean, maybe I will, but it is picking up speed. I just lost more money. I don't know if I don't know if I'm capable of trading that one. I missed NWTG. It just doesn't seem like the chart and the level the level 2 are lining up here. No, the level, the time, and dude, the ladder looks the ladder's not even lined up with the freaking price action here. Kidding me? Like the ladder's not even freaking lined up here. Is it lined up now? Wow. 303. Hey, a little bit of resistance up there. We broke through that. Halt up 314. I think I'm going to try to ride it to the halt. Come on, farmer. I saw that big bid at 280. I thought that was going to be our ticket. I'm always selling too soon. Ah, ha, ha. That was the top. Did it break the high here? High 299. Yeah, it did. That moved much quicker than I thought it was to do. But that's a good sign. That was momentum trading, but wow, that took a long time to sell. Had a laggy sell order there. God dang it. Lost all my profit there. Should have not traded that. It's starting to get laggy now. God dang it. I gave back all my profit on this thing. Wow. I'm now red on this thing. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. I actually went red on this thing. Overtraded it. God dang it. How did I fail on this so bad? Got a little bit of money back there. Oh my goodness. Wow, the fills are so slow. Oh my goodness. That one's hitting resistance. I lost 1,000 here. I don't know, guys. I'm already feeling angry. I had the right trade on this one, but I just took a bozo trade on this here. I went from green to red on this gosh darn ticker. Okay, I'm starting to snowball big here. I might have to be done. Going down to 900 shares. Yeah, I already sized up too much. You know, I already took too many big losses. It's tremendous, a lot of resistance here. Wow. Yeah, it's just a flush. So technically I would have made my money back. Like I had the right idea. As you can see here. It did come up to 298. Really? Man, I had the man. See, that sums up how it goes for me. That's tough. Yeah, because the market's dumping today. I should have known. Yeah, the ladder is jacked up because this market's dumping, and this is what always happens. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Everything's so slow. Ah. I tell you what, I seriously cannot make a single dollar today. I might have to be switching over to DAS. Honestly, can't even trade the ladder today, which sucks. But I don't know why I blew up my money so much today. I'm pretty much at max loss. I think I might have to just take shut down here. It's just, it's actually just too laggy, and I just tried and it didn't work. You know, it sucks because I had the right trade, like I said, but it sucks. You know, and usually this stuff does resolve itself. Where's my phone? Yeah, we'll have to watch. I mean, the lag is just too much, man. I took too much size. What a day, dude. What a day, dude. What a day, dude. If I could do it over again, I wouldn't have traded. Oh God. That's yeah, it takes me to my max loss. Looks like I'm done. The SPY is causing problems, I feel. Well, I made a doo-doo mistake and I sized up big trying to catch a curl right here, and then we ended up getting this. And you know what? The leading gapper did just rip. It's huge spreads though, and you know we are on a significant market day, and that's this market drop. It sucks. I took another trade on frickin' NWTG. Again, another trade where I was in right, but then it's just near impossible for me to get a green trade. Because there I'm buying a 303 now red on the tape. And I'm guessing it's gonna drop out. Better cut it. I'm going down to 450 shares. I'm just gonna play. The day's a wash. It's just gonna have to. We're gonna have to chalk it up as you know. Yes, it's my fault, but it's also the market is also off. But I should not have lost this much money. That wasn't emotional. I told myself not to do it today, and I did it anyways. So not a great demonstration of discipline again. But I'm still here. I'm still showing up. We got 92 likes, guys. Let's see if we can run that number up. Maybe that'll boost my my confidence a little bit. Let's run that number up to a number we've never seen before. Yeah. You can't. This thing is. If this thing does break out later, boom, boom, bot, bam. You know, boom, bot, bam. You know, we're off to the races, but yeah. So I'm trying to think into the future, and the future hopefully will be July or something, or August, and we're gonna look back at this time and look somebody, and we're gonna look back at this time and say, you know, it was just a tough market, and although I've messed up and I own up to that, it's also the market has been in a tough spot. Just look at the overall market. When the overall market drops hard or rips hard, Thinkorswim will lag. Okay, as you know, the market doesn't drop this hard that often. So as far as lag goes, this is an extreme case. I came in today and I blew up, and you know, somebody said, you know, I've been off my game, and that's true. But I will say that it's not entirely my fault. Okay, you know, I know I traded March. I made 28,000. I know some people that didn't make anything in March. You know, so it was a tough month. And then April, we got hit with a double whammy. So at this point, I'm just hoping the NWTG does open back up in a little bit, and starts to run again, and then hopefully by that time the market chills out and Thinkorswim runs better. No issues on TradeStation. Good for you, John Boy. Yeah, I finally just got a winning trade. A half a penny with 900 shares. That's $5. And at JNVR, oh, yeah, I know the spreads are so big, but yeah, I might have to jump on that one. That sucks. I'm already at max loss. Remember when I said 2,500? So I dropped the ball again today. Sucks. I literally cannot catch a break here. Okay, I'm adjusting my max loss to 3,000. And you can't. This thing is a scallywag disaster. Look, the spreads are so. They open up. They're tight and then they open up so big. When will this resume? Is this a 10-minute halt? This is gonna be fine. Appreciate it. That's funny. Yeah, we'll just see if this one heats up later. I don't know. The good news is after every really bad period comes a nice, awesome period of new growth and discipline and whatever else. But until then, this sucks. I don't know. This thing is bananas, dude. Uh, 10 minutes. So we got a couple minutes left on the resumption over on JNVR. I think it's going to be a ballsy trade. Made back some money right there. Nice. Sold out. Yeah, so I got myself a low max loss. That's a tiny win. That's a tiny little win. NWTG is still hanging on by a thread, which is nice. I cleaned up my loss a little bit on NWTG here. Right into a flush. No surprise there. The market really is bad today. Yeah, I sized up early and I had the right idea and I got stopped out and then it ripped. Then I jumped in again. I got smoked. So definitely in a little bit of a trading rut. But luckily down only 2,300. That's not too bad. I got to keep that in perspective. I just keep chipping away at it small size, I guess. Sucks. The VJX spreads are big too. Yeah. I messed up. I can't believe it. Still so hard to believe. Still so hard to believe. God dang it. There goes $90.